දැන් සද්ද කරන්න එපා. හරිද? ගිය සතිය ආපු නැති අයත් ඉන්නවනේ. ඒ හින්දා මම මේ ගණන් ටික හදන්න යන්නේ තියරි එකත් අහු වෙන විදිහටම. හරිද? මේ දැන් ලියා ගන්න හදිස්සි වෙන්නේ නැතුව හොඳ අවධානයෙන් මේ ටික අහන්න. හරි? දැන් ඔන්න හරි. අපේ කන්සෙප්ට් එක තමයි සර්කල් එකක් ගත්තම 360 ඩිග්‍රී තියෙනවා ඒක වටේට. හරිද? hello sir height in oh height hari ned ආන උදේ මේකේ ඇන්ගල් එක කීයක් තියනවද ඇතුලේ 360 ඩිග්‍රී තියෙනවා. හරිද? එතකොට පුතේ දැන් ඔයා දන්නවනේ 25R වලින් මෙයාගේ ගණන් අහන් ඉඳී ඔය වැඩක් නැහැ. නැවෙන්නවත් හේතුවක් නැහැ. ඔක පැත්තක තියලා අහන් ඉන්න. අත්ත ඉදක. මේ 306 මේ මෙතන 25R වලින් මෙයාගේ මොකක්ද දෙන්නේ? සර්කම්ෆරන්ස් එක කියනවා නේද සම්පූර්ණ වටේ දිග. ඔව්. මෙයාට පුතේ මේ විදිහට ඇන්ගල් 360ක් තියෙන හින්දා වටේට චූටි චූටි ඇන්ගල් 360ක් තියෙන හින්දා මේ 25R වත් 360න් බෙදුවොත් ඔයාට එනවා කොච්චරක්ද? මේ වගේ චූටි දිගක් එනවා. තේරුණාද? ඒ කියන්නේ මේ රවුමත් 360කට බෙදලා චූටි දිගක් එනවා. එතකොට ඔයාට කොයි වෙලාවක හරි මේ වගේ එකක් දීලා තිබ්බොත් සර්කල් එකක සෙක්ටර් එකක්. මෙතන ඇන්ගල් එකේ නම තීටා. රේඩියස් එක r. පුතේ දැන් මෙතන තියෙන 1 ඩිග්‍රී කැලි ගාන නේද මේ තීටා වලින් දෙන්නේ? එහෙනම් ඔයා හිතන්නකෝ දැන් 45 ඩිග්‍රී කියලා දුන්නා කියලා. තීටා 45 කියලා දුන්නා කියලා හිතන්නකෝ. ඒ කියන්නේ මෙතන කැලි කීයක් තියෙනවද 1 ඩිග්‍රී කැලි? 45ක් තියෙනවා. උදේ රේඩියස් එක 7 සෙන්ටිමීටර් කියලා දෙන්න බැරිද? පුළුවන්. එතකොට ඔයාට මෙතන මෙන්න මේ 45ට අදාළ දිග හොයාගන්න පුළුවන් නේද? මෙන්න මේ ඉක්වේෂන් එකෙන් බලන්න. 25R ව හරිනේ 360කට බෙදලා 45න් මල්ටිප්ලයි කරලා බැරිද හොයාගන්න? පුළුවන්. එහෙනම් මෙන්න මේක තමයි මෙන්න මෙතන ඉඳන් මෙතෙන්ට තියෙන ආක් ලෙන්ත් එක. මෙන්න මේ දිගට කියනවා ආක් ලෙන්ත් එක. ආක් ලෙන්ත් එක හොයන ඉක්වේෂන් එක. බලන්න එහෙනම් මේකට සබ්ස්ටිටියුට් කරලා උත්තරේ ගමු. 2 multiply by 5 කියන්නේ 22/7 multiply by radius එක කීයද පුතේ? 7යි 45 degree එක 360 බෙදපු එක. මෙයාගෙන් බෙදුවම 360 අපි දන්නවනේ 91 කැලි 4යි. 45 කැලි කීයද එහෙනම්? 8යි. මෙතෙන්ට 1යි මෙතෙන්ට 8යි. ඊට පස්සේ 7ට 7ක් කැපෙනවා. දෙකට මේකෙන් කැපුවම උත්තරේ 4යි මෙතන. එතකොට ආයි 22ක් දෙකෙන් බෙදන්න පුළුවන් පුතේ. මෙතන 2යි මෙතන 11යි. ආයි 11ක් දෙකෙන් බෙදන්න වෙනවා. 11 දෙකෙන් බෙදමු කීයද පුතේ ආන්සර් එක? 5.5 cm. මේ ආයි මොකද්ද මේකේ? ආක් length එක. දැන් මම ඔයාලට කිව්වොත් මෙයාගේ perimeter හොයන්න කියලා. Right, if I ask you to find the perimeter of this part, what we have to do is add 2r here. You have to add what? 2r. Then what is the equation? 25r into theta upon 360 plus what? 2r. Then you can substitute like this. You know this part is equal to what? 5.5. Make out of here one either. And I have right. What do you have to do? 2 multiply by 22/7 multiply by theta. What is the size of theta? What is the value of theta? 45. Divide by 360 plus 2r. What is the value of r here? So here I have given 25 R. R7. Again here you have to multiply by 7. 7 to 7 cancel. 45 divided by 360 equals 1 upon 8. 2 divided by 2, 1. 8 divided by 2, 4. 22 divided by 2, 11. 4 divided by 2, 2. 11 divided by 2 is equal to 5.5. 2 into 7 is equal to 14. The value is 19.5. Hands up if you understood this part. This is the revision of total theory part of this lesson. Then, today we are going to find values using equations. This equation and find unknown terms. As an example, right? Consider this question. Right? Look at this, Buddha. Here, theta is equal to 120 degree. What is the degree here? 120 degree. Right? They have given that arc length is equal to 44 centimeter. Right? What is the arc length, Buddha? 44 centimeter. Then they are asking you to find the radius. What is you have to find? Radius. So you know the equation for arc length. Arc length means this part only. Right? Only this part. Then what is the equation for arc length? Only arc length. 25R divided by 360 multiplied by this 120. No? Right. You know the value of arc length. What is that? 44. Then you have to substitute other parts. 22 upon 7. Radius, what is the value of radius? You have to find the radius. So you can keep R here. Then multiply by 120 divided by 360. How many 120 are there in 360? There are 3. Here 1. Then what is the value of multiplication of 2 and 22? 44. 44 R divided by 3 into 7 equal 21. Here value is 44. You can multiply both sides by 21. Right? Then what happened? 21 to 21 cancel out. Then you can divide both sides by 44. Can you? Yes. Then 44 to 44 cancel. Here also 44 to 44 cancel. What is the remaining here? R equal 21. Understood this part? Right. Then Buddha, consider next question. Right? They have given you to find out 9 centimeter radius. You are not given theta. That means the central angle is not given. But they have given that arc length here, arc length is equal to what? 11 centimeter. You are asking to find what? Value of theta. Now you can do the same thing like this. Keep theta remain here. Understood? Okay. What is the equation now? Arc length equal, tell me, 25 R into, you have to tell the equation quickly. Here no? You have to repeat it by your mouth, right? 25R into, no, theta upon 360. 60. What is it again? Tell me. 2 pi r into theta upon 360. If you have only written this part, Putha, you have 1 mark. No need to find the answer. That is the procedure of giving marks, right? If you have written only this part, you have 1 mark there. Then next mark is given for the substitution part. That means you have to write 11 for AL, 2, 5 for 22 upon 7 for 5 and radius 9 into theta divided by 360. Again, now you have another mark, right? No need to find the answer. Next mark is given to the answer, right? Then 9 can be cancelled out by 36, no? How many are there? 4. Then 40 remains here, right? Let's write the remaining part here. 2 into 22 equal what? 44 theta, no? Divide by here 7 multiplied by 40. Here, 0 here. 7 multiplied by 40. Then here, what is the answer? 11. You can divide this by 4. Sorry, right? We were able to cut off that in this step, right? Okay, no problem here. You can do that. Divide by 4 is answer is equal to 11. Divide this by 4, answer is equal to 10. Then what you have to do now? Right? 11 theta divide by 70, no? 70 is equal to 11. Now you can divide both sides by 11. Right? First you have to multiply both sides by 70. Multiply both sides by 70. Why? You can cut 70 here. Right? Then what you have to do? 70 into 11 equal 11 theta. Now you can divide both sides by 11. 11 to 11 cancel. Theta remains. Right? Then here also 11 to 11 cancel. Then what is the value of theta, Buddha? 70. Understood or not? Right? I'm not giving you the chance to write this. I'm going to erase the board. Right? I'm not giving you the chance to write this. If you need to write this by looking at this part, you can refer the video. Right? Or this part is given in the textbook also. Let me erase the board. Right. That's why I asked you to do this with me, right? That's why I asked you to do this with me. No need, right? Because you are doing that by your brain with me, no? Right? Then next question. Right? Next type of question is here. Look at this part. The question is perimeter of a sector of circle, right? They have given that 2 upon 3 or 2/3 of circle. That means if they have given the circle is 2/3, right, of circle, right? This is not fair, right? 2/3 means you have to divide circle into 3 parts like this. Then 2/3 means according to like this part, right? So what will be the angle here? 2/3 means if the total angle is 360, right? You can divide 360 to 3. What is the answer? 120, no? Then this part is 120. This part is twice 120. That means 240. Understood? Right. Then next thing they have given is, right, perimeter of sector which is 2/3 of circle is 260. Perimeter is equal to 260. 260 is the perimeter, right? Then tell me the equation of perimeter of sector of circle. What is the equation? Perimeter of sectors. I gave you that. 2 pi r into theta upon 360 plus 2r. Very good. Again, tell it. 2 pi r into theta upon 360 plus 2r. Then you have given what? Perimeter is given. What is that? 260. Then 2 here. 5 is equal to into is the radius given? What they have to find? You have to find the radius. Find the radius. You have to find the radius here. All the things are given. They have not given punching, no? Right? Radius you have to find. Then what is the value of theta? You know that. 240 divided by plus 2r. Understood this step? Then here value is 2. Here the value is 3. No? There are 120 into 2 parts here. No? 2 upon 3. Then here 40, 44 into again 2. Then 80, 88. 88 r divide by what? 7 into 3. 21. Very good. Then plus 2r. Uta, here the denominator is equal to 1. No? Right? Consider these are two fractions. When you are going to add two fractions, you have to make a common denominator. Then you can multiply this one, numerator and denominator, by 21. Then both are taken into same denominator. Then 88 plus this what? 42. 88 plus 42 is equal to what? What is the value? 100? 130, no? Then here value is 130. What is the value here? 260. 260. Now you can multiply both sides by 21. Then what happens? 21 to 21 cancel. Right? You have to isolate R, no? Isolate means tani karna, wing karna, right? You have to isolate R. Then you have to cancel 21. Division 21 can be cancelled out by multiplying both sides. Then here 130 is multiplying, no? Then how to cancel this part? By dividing it by 30, 130. This side also 130. Then what happens? 130 to 130 cancel out. R remains here. Then here 0 to 0 cancel. 13, 13 equal 26. No? Then here 1, here 2. 21 into 2 is equal to what? 42. Then what is the value of radius? 42 centimeter or something like that. Right? In the previous day, we did not talk about this equation part. Do you remember? These are going with the equations now. Right? In the previous week, we got some idea about how to substitute values for the equation only. No? So, is this clear or no? You need to write this. No, I'm not giving you the chance. Right? If you need more clarification, tell me. If you not understood, tell me. If you have any doubt, hands up, you can ask. Tell me, Buddha. Other days you are shouting and asking, re-asking questions, but today you are not nothing, right? You have full attention, full focus. You seems like you understood very well, right? But I'm not sure. It seems like you understood everything very well. Yes. So, but I'm not sure. Really understood, hands up. Where? Any questions? What is that? Oh. එහෙම බෑ. දැන් මෙහෙමනේ බා. x plus x කිව්වොත් මොකද උත්තරේ? ආ? 2x කියලා ආයි මෙතන x කෙනෙක් දානවද? නෑ. එහෙම දාන්නේ. ඒකම සම්මෙක. එච්චරයි. ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවද? Any more questions? No. Right. Very good. Then we have more time, right? We are going to next part. Right, Buddha, listen to me carefully. I told you that I'm not allowed to talk you here, right? No discussions. You can discuss anything with me, not with your friends. No. Right, okay. Here they have given you another question, right? This one. Did we study in the last day this question? Something like this here, dots and half circle here, 20 centimeter here, right? 20 centimeter here, half circle, they have given that here 14 centimeter, this length, right? You are asking to find the perimeter. Do you have any idea? You have any plan how to find the perimeter? What do you mean by perimeter? Perimeter means length around any plane figure. No? So you can quickly find this part, 20 plus. Then take that perimeter is equal to 20 plus. Again here 20 plus. Here 14 plus. You need to take this part. No, this is not when this is not catch out when we move around here. Right? This length is not needed, right? But you have to find this length, no? When you are moving around this part, here 20 plus, 14 plus, 20 plus, again this arc length. What is that? Arc length. Then you have to add arc length here. What is the equation for the arc length? Very good. 2 pi r into theta upon 360. Only this part, no? Do we need to add 2r? No. 2r is not there, right? Then what is the answer here? 40 and 54, no? 54 plus 2 into 22 upon 7 into, what is the radius here? This is 14 centimeter, no? Then here also 14 centimeter, right? Is it diameter or radius? It is the diameter. You have to divide it by 2. Then what is the answer? 7. Then into, what is the theta here? 180, no? You can see that. Here half circle is here, right? This is a straight line, no? It is a straight angle. Then what is the value? 180 divided by 360. Or directly you can put half here. Then 7 to 7 cancel. 2 to 2 cancel. Right? Can you cancel 54 to 2? 54 is divisible by 2. No? If 54 දෙකෙන් බෙදනවා මෙයත් දෙකෙන් බෙදනවා කපලා දාන්න තිබ්බනේ. Hey, very. මං අහන්නේ මෙච්චරයි. මෙතන දෙක නැතුව 54යි මේ දෙක කපන්න තිබ්බද නැද්ද අපිට? අන්න හත්ති ලව්වේ මතක තියාගනින් එහෙම කපන්න බෑ. මේ මෙතන එකතු කිරීමන්නේ තියෙන්නේ. Right? If addition is here, you are not allowed to cut this 52 to 2 here, there, right? Why? Why? Addition breaks the multiplication chain, right? You are allowed to do that if there is a chain of multiplication, right? Multiply, multiply, multiply. This is a chain, right? If you are in a chain of multiplication, you can cut up to down, right? But the chain is break by plus or minus. Then you are not allowed to add, not add, cut or divide something like this between two chains, right? If there is another chain here multiply, then you can do that. Understood? These are the wrong things that you in mathematics question. Then you are losing marks. That's why I asked. Okay, then here, what is the answer? 2 to 2. Okay, cancel. Then only 22 remains. Then here 50. So what is the answer then? 76 centimeter is the perimeter. No? Right. There is another nice question. Give examples, right? Let's try that also. Hold up. Hold up. Listen to me. In this question, they says that the shaded part is cut out. Cut out, and you have to find the perimeter of the remaining part. Understood? The shaded part is cut off along this line and removed. You have to find what? Perimeter of remaining part. Then how to do this? First you have to find this arc length. No, when you are finding perimeter, you have to find this length, this, and this. Then you have to find one arc length, then one hypotenuse. You remember? One arc length and another hypotenuse. Right? Let's find them first. What is the arc length here? Tell me, hurry up. Here 15 centimeter, here 8. Then what is the value of here? Tell me, hurry up. 7. Very good. Right. Then what is the equation for the arc length? 2 r into theta upon 360 plus 2r. No need to do that for arc length. Arc length means only this part. 2r is not needed. Right? Then tell me 2 into 22 upon 7 into theta. Tell me, hurry up. Here 1, here 4. Then, oh sorry, I have not given the radius. 7. 7 to 7 cancel. Then 22 into 22 divide by 4. Cancel out this. Then 2 remains. Then again 2 divided by 20 equal to 11. The arc length is what? 11. Then you have to find the hypotenuse here. You remember the method of finding the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle? No. Tell me. 8 square plus 6 square is equal to what? H square. 8 square is equal to 64. Here 36 equal H square. That means 100 is equal to H square. Right? H square. Then add the square root for the both sides. Then 10 is equal to H. You remember this one? Pythagoras theorem, Pythagorean relationship in grade 9. Then now you are allowed to find the remaining parts. No, here 7, then here also 8. No, here 6, here 9. No, here 15. Then what is the perimeter of the remaining part? Arc length 11 plus, tell me, 8 plus 15 plus 9 plus 10. Then what is the value? Huh?
This side. This side. This side is not. This side. Against pahay.
53 now? Value is 53. Right. Nice. Did you understood this part? Everyone? Nice. Right?
Nice.
Okay. Now, what you have to do is take your textbook and do all the exercises.